Question 11 asks us to list the side in order from the shortest to the longest. So how about we list it from the smallest to greatest angle first. So we have 47 degrees is less than 63, which is going to be less than 70. Now we just have to get its corresponding or its opposite side. So the 47 angle is opposite to this of AC. Oh, I mean AB. So this is line AB. Then 63 is opposite right here to line BC. And then 70 is opposite. Its line is AC. So it's AC here. So we can say that line AB is less than line BC, which is less than AC, using the triangle inequality. All right, for B, a lot of you might get stuck here because, again, you're not drawing the triangle. Just draw the triangle. Don't make the problem harder than it is. Angle. Now we label it. E is 30 degrees. Angle D is 125. And F is 25. All right, so let's just put it in order. 25 degrees is less than 30 degrees, which is less than 125 degrees. All right, so the 25 degrees, the opposite side is going to be ED, so line ED. Then we have 30, opposite is FD, FD. And then we have 125, its opposite is EF, EF, its opposite is there. So there you go, line ED, it is less than line FD, which is less than EF. Okay, so again, draw out the triangle and use the triangle inequality to list them.